Yes, my people, we have completed the installation of the RimThin LED lights, and this is how they look now. Turn it on here. Let's see. This is like the regular light. Let's turn it on and see. Now. Okay, yeah, my people, we travel TV, we travel EC. It's night, so we're gonna check out the RimThin LED lights to see the difference. Let's go. Oh wow, it's working. Looks good, my people. Yeah, proper. Check it out. Properly. Check it out. Yeah, respect. Yeah, so it's working, my people. Everything is working good. Just check it out. Remember to like, subscribe. My people, I'm David. You're watching eTravel TV, eTravel EC, and we're unboxing the RimThin headlights that they sent me. We're gonna do installation, and we're gonna make the video of the unboxing, so check it out. Yeah, so the package arrived today, people, from EasyXBA. So yeah, let us unwrap it. These are the RimThin LED lighting. We told them to get it for 2008 Suzuki S4. So we're gonna see what's going on. You see they said that it's the 9007 model. And yeah, you see the lumens? So it should be nice and bright, people. We're gonna check it out. Okay, yeah. So this is it. So we're gonna see what's gonna go on. I'll let you know. We're gonna have the video step by step. People, yeah, eTravel TV, we travel, we see. Yeah, we're here promoting the RimThin LED headlights. Well bright as day, better than night. You have to get this, you know, make sure to support it, buy it through the link and in the description. Yeah, so we're taking it out the box now. Okay, good. So it's a set of them. It's, 2 sets. 2 sets. This is it, my people. Good. The connection looks like the one in the car so far, which is good. With the same setup to turn. Yeah, it looks solid. I like the fact that the heat dispensation, you can see it there around it. It's big. It's not like those little simple ones, you know. It feels heavy in my hand. Yeah, so when you install it, you're gonna have that section to show the installation. But so far so good. It looks good. Very heavy and solid. Oops, that doesn't do anything to it. That's also a test to see if anything, you know, how stable it is. Yeah, man. So RimThin, yeah, good. And I like the feel, you know, how sturdy it is. Has that fan to keep it like cool. Yeah, we're gonna see what's going on with it. Put it back in. So we'll see the instructions. Instruction manual. Go through. Diagram explaining the different parts. The locking ring, power connector, as we just show you down the bottom there, the LED chip, the aluminum body, which is very solid, heat sink, and also the fan. Perfect. Yeah. Before installation, turn off the vehicle, start the car, steady place, open the hood, find the bulb installation position of the headlamp, and set. Good. Turn in motion, twist off, twist on, like your regular one. Should fit in the slot, and then you plug it in easily. The locking ring is already on it, which is good. So we're going to do the physical installation, and we will see if there's any issue. So it should be sitting there in the front view. This is how it should look when you put it in. The LED thing should be straight up, not sideways. 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So we have to make sure to note this. This is how it should look. That's good. Don't apply excessive force to the LED bulb during installation. If damage occurs, it may cause lightning malfunction. Yeah. Highlight, or when you finish installing, make sure to check the high and low beam to see if it is switching. And make sure you connect the proper direction. And don't switch it on until the connection is finished and it's properly installed into the housing. Okay, so troubleshooting, if there's an issue, it comes with a manual, which is good. And also it comes with the RimThin, so you can log in your item to get your warranty or any problems. So that's good. Welcome back to eTravel TV. eTravel TV, we travel, you see. Yeah, so today we're gonna be installing the headlights, the LED headlights. We're gonna be installing them. Yeah. So this is the machine. We're gonna be putting it into the 2008 Suzuki Swift S4, and we'll be doing step-by-step installations. So check it out. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, check out the LED headlights. Well bright, brighter than day, illuminate night. Make sure you buy them. Check the link in the description for your discount, and thanks for the support. Boom. People, welcome back to eTravel TV. We travel, we see. So we're gonna be installing the RimThin LED lights. The RimThin LED lights. We're gonna be installing them now. As you can see, I have them here. And remember the brand? Yeah, man. RimThin LED lights. Real bright, brighter than daylight. Illuminate night. Yeah. So we're gonna be installing it into our engine. As you can can see, I pulled off this cap, which was here, my people, right here into that little slot right here. You know, you just put it in and turn the housing. Once you turn the housing, turn it clockwise to lock it in. And once you lock it in, it stays locked. And you turn it and take it out. So like how we take it out already, this is the connection, this is the original bulb. I made sure to tell them the year and model of the car, that I could get the one that will fit. Okay? So we're gonna screw out this one now. By squeezing the lever here. This lever. And it will slide it off. Okay? Okay, my people, so I squeeze the lever and I take it off. As you can see, it's the same connection like what we ordered, which is similar, same way they line up, so we shouldn't have any problem there, my people. This is the housing, very important to hold this in groove, and as you can see, you have to put it on first before, so you have to do something like this and drop this over here. See, just like that. So that means when we slide it into groove, it should fit without any issues. Alright, this is the other side, opposite. So looks like you turn this wrong, so you put it back the right way, slide it in, and that's it. So that means once it go in, push it in and you turn it anti-clockwise, it should lock in place. And remember, my people, remember, as the manual said, let me get back to the manual. The manual mentioned something about making sure that the light is turned at a certain angle. So let me go back to the manual. Here it is, my people. So once we put it in, that straight part of the head, then the new LED light should be turned upwards. And 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So those 3 sprangs, 1, 2, 3. And this should be straight. So let me go back now and go check it. These are the 3 sprangs, 1, 2, 3, and this should be straight up in the ear. So when I put it in, it should be straight like that. That when we look into, we see it like that. So let's screw it in now and see what happens. People, so that's one. If you can see it, we have installed this right here. We have made sure to turn it clockwise, anti-clockwise to lock it in, and we made sure to turn it straight. So now we're gonna do this one. Turn this to take it out. Take it out. Once you take it out, like this, right here. Dry it off, make sure to turn the holder the right way and slide in the opposite. Okay, my people, I finished installing the RimThin LED headlights in the car. It's still there, so I checked, I see that they're working, but we're gonna give it a test when the sun sets, and I'll make sure to video to let you know what's happening. All right, remember to like, subscribe and share. eTravel TV, we travel, you see. Yeah man, big up on yourself every time. And remember to check the description for the referral link to purchase them, and I'll show you what's happening later. Respect. Yeah, so overall it was very easy to install. It wasn't hard. because we made sure to get the one for the parts that we need, the right one for the parts, so it was easy. And they look bright, but in the night we're going to check to see if the high beam and the low beam is working. Apart from that, I like the weight, as I said earlier, and the fact that it has the fan to dispense the heat. That's beautiful. So let's see later, people. And remember, like, subscribe and share. eTravel TV, we travel, you'll see. RimThin LED lights, real bright, brighter than daylight, eliminate the night. Boom. Okay, yeah, my people, eTravel TV, we travel, you see. It's night, so we're gonna check out the RimThin LED lights to see the difference. Let's go. Oh wow, it's working. Looks good, my people. Yeah, proper. Check it out. There's the bright. Okay. That's the bright. So it's working properly. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah, so it's working, my people. Everything is working good. Just check it out. Remember to like, subscribe.